Angel, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to answer one question about new hire training. And if you're ready, let's begin. So our question for today is, what will happen if you did not pass the new hire training or the new hire tests? Will you be terminated? That's a good question. When you are in new hire training, that means you have to perform your best in all stages of your training. I actually have a video about how to pass call center training. Link it up there, and another video about what to expect during your call center training. So I'm going to link it up there again so you can check it out after this video. So going back to the question, if you did not pass the new hire training or exams or tests, then there can be two things that might happen. So the first one, if it is due to performance, meaning you failed your exams, then you might be reprofiled to a different account, provided that there is a different account that is hiring in your company. So you see, in one company, there are a lot of different accounts or programs or clients. So there might be for banking, for travel, for healthcare, insurance, or anything. But there are also other companies that don't have a lot of accounts. They just serve one client or one program. And in that case, if there is no other account for you to be transferred to, then most likely you will be terminated because you failed the examinations that you need to pass before you get endorsed to the next stage of the training, which is most likely nesting. But if your company has different accounts or programs, for example, if you're in banking, you took the training but then you failed, your performance is not at par with their standards, then they will find, the management will find a new account that might accept you. So what will happen is you will be taking another set of examinations that are specific to that account, and when you pass them, you will be going through another set of account validation interviews, and if you pass, then you can start another training in that account in the same company. So when you pass that training for that account, then you can be endorsed to nesting, then you can start taking calls after. However, if you failed that account again, then it is still possible that you will be reprofiled for the third time. That is if there is a hiring or ramping in another account. In some companies, they will no longer reprofile you, but they will terminate you because you still did not pass the training for that account. Now, in other cases that are not due to performance, for example, it's behavioral. You've been absent, you've been late all the time, or you have violated the code of conduct of the company, you did something wrong in terms of behavior, then most likely you will be endorsed to HR right away, meaning you will not be reprofiled or transferred to another account anymore, because obviously, why will they retain you if you did something wrong or if your behavior is not at par with their standards? That might affect the reputation of the account or the company. So that's automatic termination. So I hope I have answered your question. If you have additional question or follow-up question about that, don't forget to comment below, and watch out for my next video. We have videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care and bye.